Well, a very good morning. Thanks for clicking on to the Thursday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. Of course, we have seen the first official Southern Stratospheric warming event since January 2013, and we're now in that kind of period now between the event taking place and the response down in our level of the atmosphere that, of course, generates all our weather. Generally, the 6 to 10 day period is what is required from the event taking place within the stratosphere to the response, like I say, down in the lower levels of Earth's atmosphere. And it does look as if the modelling is coming more and more in line with the response of that southern stratospheric warming. According to Liam Dutton of ITV, generally 66% of the time we have a prolonged period of cold weather following an SSWE. Some of the modelling is a little bit back and forth in terms of exactly where that core of cold is going to be, but the general emphasis will be on an increasingly cold theme from about the 23rd of February onwards. Happens to be my birthday on the 23rd, and quite often, like last year, and like I believe 2 years previous to that, there has been snow on the ground on my birthday. Quite a lot of the time there is snow on the 23rd of February, and I think that is going to be the case this year. So, GFS Ensemble, upcoming 5 day period looks like this here. High pressure over France, low pressure over Iceland. We'll continue to see the westerlies coming in, but of course at 10 millibars we have already reversed the westerly with an easterly, and it's just a case of that all trickling down through the atmosphere from stratosphere to troposphere. And you can see here, by the time we get into the 6 to 10 day period, we're starting to see the reaction within the response within the atmosphere, with a core of high pressure sitting further to the north of the UK. And then as we go into the more all-important 11 to 15 day period, you can see here that we're starting to see an easterly component to the upper air pattern here. High pressure to the north, low pressure to the south, stormy across the Mediterranean. That is certainly going to be a given here. And if you look at the 2 meter temperature anomalies here, you can see here that we have entered a pretty significant spell of cold weather over Europe here. So maintaining this westerly flow, we're going to see milder temperatures. We're starting to see that already, but through the weekend we are going to see the Atlantic continuing to drive southwesterly winds, lifting the temperature up slightly. It has been a fairly chilly February overall, but I think we're going to start to see a real significant change as we go towards the second half of next week. So next Friday is the 23rd. From then on into March, I think we're going to see a significant spell of cold winter weather, and that could the big question is, how long is it going to last during the month of March overall. More in the written post today. Stay tuned and I'll keep you up to date as best I can. Hope you have a great Thursday. Bye for now.